So, hello everybody, here with another video, and tonight we're going to be installing Kodi Backup. I'll show you how to set it up, and yeah, let's get going. So once you got Kodi open, as I have here, and we're going to install from the repository, Program Add-ons, Backup. So let's install it. There's the dependencies. We're on our way. Okay, so the Back-On app is installed. Now we'll go set it up. So once you enter into the backup, you want to go into Configure, and we want to go to Remote Directory. Now here you would pick the path to either a hard drive spot, USB key, external, whatever you're backing up your stuff to. I usually pick an external drive. So it's going to be Browse Path, and we're going to go to E, and there I've got a folder called Kodi Backup, and we're going to hit OK. And then we're going to hit File Selection. And for me, I like to keep everything but the directories, because I don't create custom directories. So now we're going to go OK, and we're going to run, and we're going to do a backup. So very simply, hit Backup. You've already picked the directory. It's now backed up. If you reinstall Kodi and you want to restore, you would again install Backup. You'd have to, of course, have installed the remote directory. Me, I took that. And we're going to restore from there. Now, that's just simple backup. We're not done with backup yet. You right click on backup and you go to settings. We can go down to scheduling. What I do is I enable a scheduler every week. And that's it. You can set it up any way you like. That's just a simple way I set it. Back up once a week. I hit OK. Schedule will run on the 30th, which is next Sunday. And that's it. You've created the backup. So if this was helpful to you and you liked the video, hit like. If you didn't like the video or thought it was maybe too short, let me know, or hit dislike. And don't forget to subscribe. Everybody, have a great night.